Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the gestures. They should be on the second position, and on the third we've got the system navigation, so let's tap. As you can see right here, we've got the option we're looking for. We've got also the animation at the top, so you can always check how to use particular mode. But before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer, you can customize the 3-button navigation here. Unfortunately, you've got only this hold home for assistant, but no worries. You've got also this option right here, navigation bar in the system settings, and here you can reorder the buttons. But let me go back because that was really a quick disclaimer. Let's set the gestures, so let's tap on it, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. As I said, here you've got the animation, so you can learn how to use them, but no worries, I will explain everything. We can also enter this settings icon, and basically we've got the digital assistant. Here you can turn it on and off, and you can customize the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this edge to be higher or lower, I mean the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and you can do it from the left side and also from the right side. As you can see, we've got this arrow, and after seeing it, we can release the finger, and as you can see, we will go back. If you want to get back directly to the home page, so simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture but elongate it, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.